This is Jovin George from Learn Funnel Systems. In this video, we are going to take a look at the PLR package and a small review and walkthrough of what it actually is. So let's just jump right into this without wasting any time. So once you have access to the PLR package, this is how it will look in your course area. First will be like an introduction on how to use this PLR package, and this PLR package consists of like 8 courses. The first course, like a new system to launch an online business, and you will get a downloadable course and the funnel templates, email swipes, and the raw video files and PDFs. The next course inside is how to make your first $1,000 online, and here also you will get all the funnel templates, email swipes, and video where you can download it and customize it in any way that you want. And here you get how to write a copy that sells, and here also you can download the funnel. You can download the entire course and the email swipes and the raw video files. So I hope you got the structure. And the other courses are 60K in 4 weeks with the email marketing, and the next one is like the business coach, where the owner of Systeme turned 1 hour of work a week into $2,000 a month, and financial freedom formula, and launch your course and sell it for $1,000 in the next 7 days, and how to make $100 per day with your email list. And finally you get the access to resell the Systeme PLR package, where you can resell all 8 courses as a bundle, and you can sell this with the price that you want. There is no fixed price or anything like that. You can even change or alter the content, or you can even change your name, just like how I did. And you can do actually whatever you want, because it comes with like PLR rights. Means once you own it, you can use it as your own. You don't even need to give credits for the creator. So that's what it's all about. So how you can get access to this PLR package is like how we all got access is like through the Facebook group, where he sold it on December 7th 2022, and it was like this one where he announced it for like 24 hours or something like that, if I remember correctly, where he's selling his 8 courses with master resell rights, and it's worth like $14,698, because he's walking us through his journey, how he made Systeme a big success and how it all started, and he's sharing all his knowledge and information that he learned throughout his journey with Systeme. So that itself is really invaluable content. The reseller package was sold for just $97, and the next time he announced this was like on September 2023. So it was only announced like for 2 times, and I don't think it's coming again on the Facebook group, because they want to like limit the availability of the course, so that we can keep the demand for this course. So it's always like a good opportunity to actually learn how this course creation ecosystem actually works. So you are given everything. You are given the sales funnels, you are given the email swipes, you are given the whole video that his team created, taking them years to actually finish it. So this is another post that he made, because to explain what the PLR package is. Like, there is no minimum price to sell this. Once you own the rights, you have complete control, and you can set up the price that you want, and you can change anything that you want with the PLR package. It's completely different from resell rights or master resell rights. PLR is the best, because you get all the access or all the rights that you want to make it as your own, or you can even bundle this as a bonus for a course or anything that you offer. So that's how it looks. So this is the funnel that I created from scratch, where I am giving it away for free for everyone who purchased the Systeme.io package from this page. You can get the 40% discount for Systeme.io startup plan. That's not available anywhere else. You can also get the webinar plan, and you can get like a 30% discount. And all of this yearly package comes with like free migration. That means if you are using like a ClickFunnels or Kajabi or any other platform, Systeme.io will take care of the complete migration for free without any extra cost. And you can also get the unlimited plan, where you get unlimited everything. And even if you buy like a monthly plan from me, from this page, I am throwing away this PLR package. All you have to do is like enter your name and email address after purchasing through this link, and you will be granted access. And I have also made these courses available for free for everyone who want to know which course they want to buy. All the 8 courses are listed here, and you can purchase it for just $7 by clicking on this link. And you can also watch the intro video for each courses here, so to make sure that it aligns with what you want in your course. Or if you want to know what this course is all about, and then you can always go and watch the intro video for all the courses, because that will give you more clarity on whether you want to purchase it or not. And these are all the 8 courses that I have included here. And if you just want to buy the PLR package, then you can buy it for the $97 price tag by just clicking on that button, and it will take you to this funnel or sales page. This is the exact sales page that I got when I bought this PLR package. So this is how it will look. Everything is done for you. You just need to click this button and you need to make the purchase. And if you just click on buy now, then this will be added to your account right away. So once you purchase it, you can go to your student dashboard and you can access it here, and you will see the course here, and you can actually start using it. This is the guy who created this PLR package. His name is Aurelien Amekar, and he's the founder of Systeme.io and has got like a thick French accent. The only issue that I had while going through the course is like, if you are not familiar with the French accent, it will be like really difficult at first, but once you finish the first course, you'll get the hang of it. So that's the only issue. And this course is really helpful if you are a beginner and if you don't know anything about email marketing or setting up sales funnel or how all this selling course ecosystem or coaching program work. Then this is like a really good platform. Like this is a really great opportunity to learn all those, because from someone who is already experienced and who did this before and who grew this to like $1 million company, and is one of the like fastest growing company too. And as you can see back in his dashboard, like you can see a small screenshot of what he's able to do with Systeme.io. I believe this is his dashboard, and as you can see, in the past 30 days, like he was getting like 82,000 leads. So that's the scale of this business. And you can also see the income screenshot, and yeah, it actually works. And this is like a really great opportunity to learn about how affiliate marketing and all these things works, and how you can also leverage that in your business. And it is also helpful if you are new to Systeme.io, and if you want to get a hang of how you can manage courses, and how you can sell this, how to set up the sales funnel, how to set up the email marketing sequence. because everything is done for you. You just need to import it in your Systeme account, and you can start playing with this, and you can instantly start generating money, because you can keep 100% of the profit that you earn. So that's also an additional income opportunity that you can also use with the Systeme. I'll include the link where you can check out the funnel that I created for selling this PLR package. So if you are interested, you can get it that for free when you purchase through that link, or you can purchase for $97 and get access instantly. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in the future videos, I will dive in deep where how somebody new to this PLR package can install it in your Systeme account, and how you can start selling and start earning money with this. I hope if you have any doubts regarding this PLR package, or if you need help with setting up Systeme in any way, please do comment it below so that I can have a better idea of what videos to make next. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.